What's up? Welcome back to
Sticky Teacher.
Asking questions is part of how we learn and communicate. Of course. So in English, as you already know, question words like what, who, where, when, which, how, etc. are placed at the beginning of a question. For example, what's your favorite smell? Why do you ask? Who the hell are you? Where's the toilet paper? How was your first time? Are you a virgin? Sometimes we ask silly questions, eh? In Vietnamese, some question words are placed at the beginning of the question. Some are placed at the end, and some can be flexible. So, let's get started. First question word I'm showing you is I, which means who. Here we have the question, bạn là ai? Which can be translated word by word. You are who? So, bạn là ai basically means who are you in English. You see that the question word I is placed at the end of the question. However, the question word I must be placed at the beginning if the person does the action. For example, ai đã trốn học? Who skipped the class? Ai dạy tiếng Việt? Who teaches Vietnamese? I. Who? The next question word is tại sao? Why? This question word is always placed at the beginning, like in English. Here's the example. Tại sao bạn khóc? Why are you crying? Tại sao bạn vui vậy? Why are you so happy? Tại sao? Why? The next question word is khi nào, which means when. Khi nào bạn cưới? When will you get married? This question word can also be placed at the end of a question. Bạn cưới khi nào? Khi nào? When? Ở đâu? Where? Ở đâu is the question word which can only be placed at the end of the question. Bạn sống ở đâu? Where do you live? Nhà của bạn ở đâu? Where's your house? Ở đâu? Where? Next one is the most used question word. Gì? What? So the question word gì is placed at the end of the question most of the time. Bạn tên là gì? What's your name? Bạn thích gì? What do you like? Bạn đang làm gì? What are you doing? Gì? What? Now if you want to say just one word, what, you'd rather say cái gì instead of gì. Like cái gì? What? Cái gì? Now, not now as in right now. Now is which. This question word can be placed at the end of a question. Bạn chọn cái nào? Which one did you choose? The question word now should be placed after a subject or a noun. Cái áo nào đẹp nhất? Which shirt is the nicest? Now. Which? Như thế nào? How? This question word is always placed at the end of a question. For example, ngày của bạn như thế nào? How was your day? Bạn đang cảm thấy như thế nào? How are you feeling? Như thế nào? How? The last question word of today's video is có, không, yes no question, which is super common, eh? To form a yes/no question in Vietnamese, you need to use the couple có, which means yes, and không, which means no. First you need the subject, then the word có and the predicate, and finally không. For example, bạn có thích tiếng Việt không? Do you like Vietnamese? Bạn có phải là học sinh không? Are you a student? Có không? Có không? Có không? Yes, no. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you have any question. Have a wonderful time learning Vietnamese. See you.